Okay, go ahead. Let's see your left hand shot.
She's left-handed. Aren't you mostly right?
I do everything with my left. I shoot and bat with my left.
You don't shoot and bat. You swing.
Yeah,
Hey,
same thing.
Swing. Yeah, 'cause you don't shoot anything in baseball. I clean mine every weekend.
Every weekend at 5 o'clock?
Every week.
Set day and
I
time?
hear everything because mine is so clean.
No, you don't. Oh, you just be ignoring me, huh?
I want a 508 burrito.
Did you notice that? Or where I get this from?
I was looking, but I wasn't watching.
Where I get this from?
Me too. Your head kind of look like Kobe.
Yeah.
That's about it.
Small little Kobe ears, though. Create space. Put your legs between. I finally changed my earring.
Is it time to take it out, Brandy?
4 to 6 weeks.
It hasn't been 4 to 6 weeks.
It's been 4 weeks. It's been 3 weeks.
Brandy. Which one did you get last?
Might be some cute boys there. With no shirt on, sweating and stuff from playing basketball. The
See, that's
tattoos.
that's really where I wanted
I only like men.
The tattoos.
I don't like boys.
She's the one driving.
That's okay.
You taking her
That's
car.
good. That's good enough inspiration for me. Yeah.